Hi, Mark Fraser with Edwards Garage here in Rocky Mountain House, Alberta. We've got a beautiful sunny day, so I'm a little squinty, but bear with me. I'm going to do a walk-around video of this 2017 Buick Enclave, and I'm just going to show you outside condition, interior condition, and just talk about some of the features. So first off, we'll start at the front here. Couple little rock chips there, nothing major. Have the automatic halogen headlights. It does have the 3.6 liter V6 engine. This is the white frost color, tri-coat, 20-inch rims, aluminum rims. Tires are about 50% or so. Got a little scuff there on the fender that can be replaced. Just coming down the side, no major dents or scratches noticeable. Coming across the back here, it does have the park assist sensors. It's got the dual chrome exhaust, and you can fit a hitch on this. So again, looking at the condition down this side, nothing major jumps out at me. We do have heated outside mirrors, but overall the vehicle is in pretty good shape exterior wise. It will need a windshield, and that's something we'll address before we sell it. Next, let's jump inside and look at the condition and the features of the interior. Hi, so I'm inside this 2017 Buick Enclave, and as you can see, it has the Coco Chino interior. So it's kind of a brown, like a darker brown. It's got the wood paneling accent too, so it looks really sharp. So as the features go, we have over on this side, we have our power programmable seats. We have power folding and adjustable mirrors. And we also have lane change alert, which will show up on your mirrors in a little yellow symbol if there's a vehicle in your blind spot. Power windows, child lock door locks. Coming across the steering wheel here, we have controls on this side for your volume of your radio. Helps keep your hands on the steering wheel while driving. Of course, we can adjust the steering wheel here. It is a power adjust, so that's a nice touch. On this side, we have our cruise control buttons along with our our heated steering wheel. Another great winter feature. And then our Bluetooth controls are over here. So moving across to the radio, we do have the CD. It does come with satellite radio, AM, FM, of course, and navigation. Now down below we have, it also has the DVD symbol here, and I'll show you the DVD player screen in the back, but you can actually play the DVDs up front here. You have your controls for your driver information screen, which is up front of the driver. We have lane departure alert, so if you leave your lane, it will notify you. And then it also has forward collision alert, which will notify if a vehicle stops suddenly in front of you, and it will emanate a red light on the windshield, so you know that you have to stop quickly. Now down below that we have the automatic climate control. So basically you set a temperature and it will use the AC or the heat to maintain that temperature. Now down below that we have a bank of buttons here. We have cooled seats and heated seats, your rear wiper, traction control, StabiliTrak, a trailer haul mode, and then your rear gate. You can lift it up here. And then, of course, your passenger has the same luxuries as the driver. Moving up here, we do have programmable garage door opener here. And then, of course, we have the sunroof up above. And then we'll look more closely at the moonroof in the back. But basically up front here, as far as condition goes, the vehicle seems to be in great condition. A little wear on the steering wheel here. And like as I mentioned, we'll be changing out that windshield up front. But first, let's jump in the back seat and we'll look at the condition back there. So I'm in the back seat of this 2017 Buick Enclave with the Coco Chino interior. One thing I wanted to point out is that it has the floor liners throughout the vehicle, so they have them in the front and the back. We have controls here for the climate control in the back seat where the rear occupants can adjust the heat. Now down below that we have, this is where we can play movies into our DVD off a device. We have a 120 volt plug-in, we have a 12 volt plug-in, and 2 USBs there. So it's all set up for entertainment. And as I mentioned, It does have the DVD player with the screen back here. Now it does come with 2 sets of headphones, so you can actually have the movie on mute, and your children in the back can enjoy their movie quietly. Next, I'm going to hit the rear hatch and drop the seats and just show you some of the cargo space. So I'm in the back of this 2017 Buick Enclave, and I just want to show you the cargo space we can create by lowering the 3rd row of seats down. So I'll just drop this one first. And so that opens up quite a bit of space for cargo, and I've already dropped that 2nd row down. So you could fit lots of hockey bags and lots of golf clubs in there. So great space, great cargo room. Next, let's meet up front and I'll close out this video. So there you have it, the 2017 Buick Enclave with the premium package. Great vehicle, great shape, it's a great people mover, and as you've seen, it's got lots of room for cargo. Now this vehicle's got low kilometers on it, and we've got it priced right at $28,995. If you'd like to find more information on this vehicle or questions on it, feel free to give me a call. My name is Mark at 403-845-3328.